Guys, let me tell you guys something. If you haven't started Forex and you are planning to, please don't learn Forex. Don't think about it. Don't do Forex. Don't do it at all. But if you are a trader already and you're not successful yet, I can only tell you that don't give up. You're almost there. Because for a trader, you see the vision already. So don't give up. Keep learning the strategy, your risk management and all. But if you never start, you don't know anything about Forex, and you're planning to you are seeing people online that are making money on Forex and then you want to hop on it, please don't forget, delete it from your memory. But if you are Otedola's son or Dangote's son or Elon Musk's son, or your father shall rich, your father get money, you can actually, or you see yourself, you are rich, you get money, you have, I'm not talking about 2 million naira rich, I'm talking about 50M upward. Exactly. If you have that kind of money, you can actually do Forex. And you guys will be wondering why I'm saying this. If you're an hustler like me, maybe say before you make $100, you actually work, hustle, and then you're now going to put that $100 in Forex, thinking, oh, you make generational wealth in 2 weeks or so. Before I tell you my reasons for saying all this, watch this video.
I think anyone starting trading is going to lose money for several years. You're looking for a career that pays a lot of money. Everyone trading wants to make a lot of money. You're competing against extremely smart people, and it's essentially a zero-sum game. So you're trying to take money from really, really smart people who are trying to take money from you. And when you start out, they're going to win. You're going to lose money.
So you've seen that. Now, some people will say Forex is gambling, that it is just gambling, it's like betting. No, it is not. Forex is not gambling at all. Even though it is a world of probabilities, but it is not gambling. Now, why did I say don't start Forex if you haven't started? See, Forex will mess up your life. Forex will change the course of your life. Forex will mess you up, starting from your your finance. Currently, I'm losing a total of $1,800 to Forex, to synthetic peers, to Forex generally. The whole money I'm losing right now, and I've not made profits. Although I was losing more than that before, I've made some back. Do you get? So now I'm on $1,800 loss in total. But you see that $1,800 loss that I'm talking about, for me personally, is my life savings. It's more than 2 million naira. Do you get? And it's money that I'm supposed to use to do different things. That $1,800, it included my rent. I used my rent at some point because I planned on using $1,000 only before. But then as time goes on, I was losing. But I was seeing something. I was like, I can make this thing. I can do it. And then I lost my rent. I put my rent into it, and also I collected money from a friend. That's the worst mistake of my life. I collected money from a friend and actually used it to trade, and I lost it too. And apart from that, all the money that you're supposed to use for other things that you're supposed to, use to continue your life, maintain as a guy, you will lose everything to Forex, and then you'll be handicapped financially. Now, the second reason is that it will mess up your social life. You won't be able to, go out with your friends, keep the relationships you had before. You won't be able to do anything socially. It will just mess it up because Forex deals with psychology. You might not understand what I'm saying deeply, but Forex traders will know what I'm saying. And my own personal experience is that when I started Forex, someone literally asked me that, am I just released from jail? Am I coming from prison? Because of how I look. Like, I look so unkempt. I did not barb. I did not shave my beard. I did not do anything. I look so unkempt. And that's because I was so obsessed with the chart. Money, I don't even have time to go to anywhere. I don't do anything other than looking at charts morning and night. I won't sleep. My eyes were so sore. I just look homeless. See, I'm telling you reality. You might not understand, but that's how Forex treats you. That's how Forex mess you up. I'm serious right now. Then third thing is that it will mess up your social life. On a normal day, I'm not someone that goes to club or that visits friends or something like that, but I'm a content creator on a normal day. Do you get? And my content have been gaining traction. Then even Post NG posted me, Legit NG posted my content, and all of that. I was doing well in content. I stopped everything. I don't have friends. My friends that I had, I stopped talking to everybody. Only my family. And when I say my family, I mean my 2 friends. I have 2 friends that I talk to often, every time, and then my family. In fact, family said it's just once in a while when you just if you just fuck up your social life, you will not be able to do anything else. Socially, you just be obsessed with the chat. You want to make money and all of that. And then the fourth reason is that you will be MIA, missing in action. There are events that will be happening at the time that you are trading that Forex. Like for me, I missed my graduation. I missed my sign out, or my sign out day. Not like I was there. Do you understand? But I was not there mentally. I took pictures. See, I was there, even my graduation, my NYC camp, everything. I remember when I was in camp, I lost $300 within like 15 seconds. $300. I won't die. See, I was in camp, but I was not in camp. Forex is just it will mess you up. Do you understand? Unless you are rich and you have one backup money that as you are losing this one, you'll be, see, all Forex traders, all the successful ones that you see online and you see them driving big cars, Lamborghini, people like Happy Forex, people like Jeffrey Benson, people like Dax, Only One Chooks, all those people, see, they have something in common. They have a particular thing in common that I'll be talking about in my next video. But for now, well, if you're a trader, tell me your experience under the comment section. And if you're not, tell me what you think about what I just said, that you should not trade Forex. I'll see you in my next video. Guys.